great. I am not going to make it back to camp before this thing gets to me. Just appeared over the ridge, and all of a sudden there's like thunder everywhere. Usually it gives you a little bit of a warning before, you know, it gets to you by hearing thunder, but I heard nothing like that. So I'm on the other side of the lake and got to get way back. But look at that sky. This is a serious storm. So make sure to keep my fly rod low and hug the bank to where there's some taller objects that potentially, you know. Oh, great. Here comes the rain. All right. I'm going to concentrate on getting back. Thing is coming up on me fast. I'm just gonna have to hunker down. Place to tuck in here. Yep. Oh yeah. It's gonna get ugly. Now we got marble size hail. That doesn't feel good when it's hitting you. Holy shit. Oh my god. Wow, this is incredible. Whoa, big strike. Wow. That's unbelievable. Holy crap, that was insane. I have never been in something like that before. I mean, there is no way, right? I know those are gonna be online. I was deep back in here and, oh wow, that was a big strike. And that storm came in fast. I mean, completely fast. I had no time to react. There was no sounds of thunder prior, so I didn't have any warning. I just had to get out of there as fast as I could. When I knew I wasn't gonna make camp, I just hunkered down, right? Got the rods down and put my jacket on and just prayed for the best. But that was insane. But now look, I mean, we got blue sky right there. So hopefully I'll dry off here shortly. But that was freaking, it's actually pretty cool, but kind of scary too.